Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the revolutionary world of AI technology. Ever wondered why everyone should be leveraging AI? Well, stick around as we unravel the endless possibilities AI brings to the table. First things first, what exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. AI is transforming industries across the board, from healthcare to finance, entertainment to transportation. It's not just about automation. AI enhances decision-making, boosts efficiency, and drives innovation at unprecedented levels. That's right, AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer. But why should everyone jump on the AI bandwagon? I simplify my daily tasks, making my work more manageable and efficient. With AI-powered recommendations, I've discovered new interests and experiences tailored to my preferences. Whether you're a business owner looking to streamline operations, a student seeking personalized learning experiences, or simply someone navigating through the complexities of modern life, AI has something for everyone. So, there you have it, folks. The future is here, and it's AI-powered. Embrace the possibilities, unlock your potential, and join the AI revolution today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.